How you know? All right, go ahead.
It's a good day. Hope everybody's well. It's a good day for me. And so I'm going to play you a song, okay?
All right.
Let's see, now what do I want to play?
Let me hit pause, Grandma.
Could do better than that.
I thought it sounded pretty.
anymore. You forget what you know.
I'm so proud you remember what you do remember.
I got on one of my Christmas outfits that one of my grandsons and his family gave me, Jason.
It's so pretty. I love the red on you.
It's so warm. It's warm.
And it's got little ruffles on it.
It's got ruffles all over it. See?
It's so pretty. Here, let's see if y'all can see.
See a row of ruffles down this way and a row down this way.
Well, it's very pretty.
And Jason picked it out himself.
He's got good taste, doesn't
Yes,
he?
he has. I told him he had good taste, that he knew what Grandma liked.
Oh. Well, you have a wonderful week, all of you out there.
Yes, you do. And remember, whatever comes or whatever goes, God loves you.
That's right. Y'all all have a wonderful week.
Yes, you do.
Oh, I'm dropping my phone, Grandma.
I'll see you next Sunday.
That's right. See you later.